We are live. So, good day everyone. I'm here to talk about GMOs. So, what is a GMO? GMO stands for genetically modified organism, an organism whose genetic material has been altered using genetic engineering techniques, according to Wikipedia. This will create various combinations of organisms that would not occur naturally or through traditional crossbreeding methods. Maybe we could make like a super animal, or a plant that bears various kinds of fruits, or maybe a super virus immune to all vaccines. Now that's pretty scary. So, some pros regarding GMOs. It can be used to produce crops with more nutrients, a faster growth, has more yield, and requires less fertilizers. That is pretty harmful if you know eutrophication and you know what that's where that is caused. Another pro is we could cut the time required in traditional breeding since we could just implant the DNA into that species, saving years upon years of research, which will not always produce the desired result. Um, Another would be we could manipulate animal, maybe human cells to be healthier or desirable. Maybe this would be the cure for cancer that we've all been waiting for. Just get rid of the damn thing. One last thing is it will, um, one last change that it will bring is if food starts to become scarce, this will maybe the ticket to avoid it. Now, moving to the cons, this is not thoroughly tested. This is very unpredictable and requires more research. We are going to consume this, by the way, so if GMOs aren't tested thoroughly, do expect casualties for the sake of research. And since they don't occur naturally, the organisms, I mean, they are very unpredictable. It's a new unresearched species. It's very foreign. Who knows how it could act? It might trigger allergies or trigger make a new allergy. There's also the problem of differences in the systems. Some may be toxic to other animals, but not to us. Just like how chocolate is a big no for dogs, but it's a-okay for us, and it's very delicious. So the problem there is that there may be an organism who normally is okay with this kind of organ or this kind of crop, but they did not realize that this is actually a GMO and they may be toxic to it. So where's my stand? So I can see this being a necessity in the future if we aren't careful, if we are very wasteful in our resources, this will be a necessity. And to be honest, I'm fine with having GMOs if there's a dedicated group of scientists to research and test it thoroughly. But I think the first few years will be very hard. It will be very tough. It will bring a lot of casualties. But this is the testing phase, and it's not perfect. If we get out of the testing phase, I think we could live normal life again. All right. See you.